Hey van lifers! Ever wondered about the best way to keep your living in a bubble magnetic fly screen neat and tidy? You've got our amazing screen for airflow and privacy, but curious about the best way to fold it for compact storage? We've got you covered. Ready? Here's how to perfectly fold your living in a bubble magnetic fly screen. Step 1. Grab the top corner firmly and gently fold the fly screen in half inward at the center. Make sure the fly screen is straight and fully extended as you do this. Step 2. Check that the bottom part is perfectly aligned with the folded top side. Step 3. Now, fold the screen one more time in half by bringing your hands closer together, starting from the bottom side. Step 4. Next, fold the screen crosswise in half over the other side. Step 5. Place the folded screen on a flat surface. Then, fold it again vertically in half, ensuring it remains straight and aligned. Step 6. Lastly, fold the screen horizontally, dividing it into 4 equal sections. You should now have a neatly folded fly screen ready to be stored in its handy pouch. Now that you've mastered the fold, let's talk about what makes our living in a bubble magnetic fly screen an absolute must-have for every van lifer. It's not just easy to store, it's packed with intelligent features. First off, it's an easy self-install magnetic fly screen for your side and rear door, complete with a clever center opening. This means you can enter and exit your van freely while those pesky insects stay outside. Installation is a breeze. With powerful magnets sewn around all edges, you simply connect it onto your vehicle with ease. No tools, no drills, no fuss. To uninstall, just pull it off, fold it up as we just showed you, and pop it into its compact storage bag. Our fly screen features bug-proof mesh with tiny 1mm holes, giving you ultimate protection. Mosquitoes, midges, and other insects cannot enter. You'll also drastically improve vehicle ventilation, keeping your van cool and fresh, even on hot days. Beyond bugs, it doubles as an anti-glare, privacy screen, and sunshade, giving you that much-needed comfort and seclusion. And despite all this functionality, you get great viewing through the screen. It truly doesn't block your view of that beautiful campsite. Best of all, there's no damage to your car surface upon removal, protecting your van's finish. And for ultimate convenience, the screen can be left in place with your doors closed, perfect for quick stops or a seamless transition. Ready to transform your van life with bug-free comfort, privacy, and ultimate convenience? Discover your perfect fit for magnetic fly screens and explore our full collection of innovative van life accessories on our website, link below. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe us on this channel, and check out our page on our socials. Share this with a fellow adventurer, and we'll see you in the next one.